So this is day 17 of today's trade recaps. It's Tuesday the 10th of February 2026. It's my first day trading on the funded account, on the new funded. So I took it a bit chill today, a bit slow, a bit low risk, and taking it slow. And yeah, let's start with the bias first. Daily bias, we closed bullish. So my target for today, my drawn liquidity was previous day's high. So I was bullish on the day. I was trying to look for bullish setups. In this recap, I'm going to show you some of the bearish setups because today was kind of special. We had a very volatile market open, so it gave us clean shorts but also clean longs. I only took the longs because obviously my bias was bullish for today. Let's start right into the kind of market profile right here. Asia, beginning of the day, put in the low bottom wick of the day. London kind of accumulated until this point, and New York AM took out the low of Asia and then took out the high of London and also previous day's high. Now we are kind of dropping again. So this was accumulation, manipulation on both sides, and now the distribution again. So yeah, as I said, there were good short opportunities but also long opportunities. Let's go on the 9 a.m. candle. This was when I started charting, and as you can see, we already had a bearish 90-minute cycle SSMT in play. We got a perfect TCISD right here. So we close below. Actually, it's this one right here. It's this candle right here. We close below, retested, literally perfect. And yeah, I actually know some people that traded this. They have bearish bias. I didn't took it because really we were so close to taking out previous day's high. It would not have made sense to me to completely reverse from here, so I didn't take it, but you could have taken it right here at the retest of the TCSD, stops on that high and target the Asia lows to the left, so right here. This was also the market open. It was very volatile. We dropped lower. If you just go to the 1 minute, you can see it was, the trade went perfectly in theory, but you can see this is just really volatile. The candle that confirmed the 90-minute cycle TCSD, it created at a high at the same time, so we are really just going up, going down, going up, going down. So yeah, that's good that I didn't take it. You see here the candle that confirmed the TCSD put in the high at the same time. We dropped lower. We took out the liquidity of the Asia lows. We also tapped into a 1 hour gap right here. So now I was kind of sure that we want to go higher from here after tapping into that gap. We formed a micro hidden SSMT right here, and not a micro, a daily cycle hidden SSMT. Indicator is marking it out perfectly right here. We got a 90-minute cycle bullish SSMT right here, and we got 2-stage micro SSMT, so only 1 minute time frame right here. Both, one with BIAM, one with ES. And yeah, the SSMTs with ES, they are obviously super strong. So yeah, this was essentially the move I wanted to trade, and it's actually a very great price action today for the quarterly theory traders. I know many people that took this long because you could have entered off many entry models. First of all, you could have taken the SSMT plus TCISD to really call that bottom right here, and look at this beautiful trade. 8.2 RR. Second method is the inversion TCISD, so the IT is TCISD, kind of waiting it to get confirmed and then waiting for the open low. Also 2.5 RR, very clean right here. And another opportunity was just to wait for the actual change in the state, so not a true change in the state, but a normal change in the state on the 1 minute right here. Also worked out perfectly, also about 2.7 RR, I think. Yeah, 2.7 RR. So many, or just a market order right here after this huge displacement also works perfectly. So nothing to lose on this move right here. So really a great day, and actually good examples. And something I want to mention, I see many traders trading inversions, but really they are not there, they don't work so well. You see here we got a 1 minute gap inversion after sweeping some liquidity. That's what most people are trading, but you see we drop one stage lower to form a new SSMT plus a TCST. So really that just confirms that this model is actually so strong. SSMT, or let's say liquidity plus the TCSD or the normal change in the state, it's just so strong. And if you just only trade the inversion, so here's an inversion, here's an inversion, both in a high time frame PDRA, but it just doesn't work that well. So that's something, kind of a tip or something I want to state here. So plenty opportunity to go long here on the 5 minute. Let's check out the 5 minute real quick. We had on the 5 minute it was kind of not so good because TCSD got respected right here, but we didn't have any retest. So it was good, but still the 1 minute was way better. I think I missed one setup, and this was actually the engulfing order block right here. We engulf this candle right here, we displace higher and then just wait for the retest. So really every single concept in my mind just aligned right here at the bottom. You also could have traded something like this. This was actually the trade I took. I was trading with Bookcoin Live and I was not so confident right here. I want to take it slow. So really kind of I traded the same trade he took to get a little more confidence right here. So what I did is waiting for a 5 minute open low right here at the top. We got an inside candle here. So this was our 15-minute time frame target. If you just based on the candle closures right here, you see CRT, 15-minute CRT. Target was this high right here. I entered after we dropped a little lower and then just bam, fully TP. So the trade I took was, as soon as we opened the new 5 minute candle. So essentially right here. This was my trade. Almost 2 hours. So very good day overall, very good price action, even though for many retail traders I think it was one of the harder days, but for me, for quarterly theory traders, it was pretty nice. So I made about $250, and first day of funded trading, it's very nice, and looking forward to keep that momentum I have right now. So see you tomorrow or in the next Trader Cup video.